Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microbiology World. This is my next topic on my YouTube channel, and in this topic we are discussing about the preparation of Griseofulvin by fermentation. I request you to my friends to watch this video fully to get information about uh, Griseofulvin preparation, introduction, how it is prepared by fermentation. So let's start our topic. First of all, Griseofulvin introduction. Griseofulvin is an antifungal antibiotic first isolated from a penicillium species in 1939. It is a secondary metabolite produced by the fungus Penicillium griseofulvin. The compound is insoluble in water and slightly soluble in ethanol, methanol, acetone, benzene, CaCl3 ethyl acetate, and acetic acid. Mechanism. You can see the mechanism. Griseofulvin inhibit fungal cell mitosis and nucleic acid synthesis. It also binds to and interferes with the function of spindle and cytoplasmic microtubules by binding to alpha and beta tubulin. It binds to keratin in human cells, and then once it reaches the fungal site of action, it binds to fungal microtubules, thus altering the fungal process of mitosis. Cultivation, you can see in the diagram clearly. Next, preparation of media zapic dox medium chemicals chemicals: glucose 5%, sodium nitrate 0.2%, potassium hydrogen phosphate 0.1%, and magnesium sulfate 0.05%. You can see in the diagram. Preparation of Griseofulvin by submerged fermentation. Steps involved in manufacturing process: fermentation, pre-treatment of fermentation broth, filtration, extraction, decolorization, isolation and separation, precipitation and purification. You can see in the diagram the fermentation process in the diagram. The pH of Z-packed dox medium was adjusted between 6 to 7.2. The medium was dispensed in the fermenter. The fresh sample of mycelial suspension of fungus Penicillium griseofulvin from the fresh slope on wrapper steep agar zapic dox medium plus corn steep plus agar was obtained. The solution was autoclaved for 20 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius at 15 lbs pressure and fermented for 14 days at 24 degrees Celsius. You can see in the diagram clearly that if you see the agitation system, feeding pump, medium, system monitored, sensor, thermal jacket, effluent, submerged aerator, and reactor tank, air, all you are seeing this diagram. Next, pre-treatment broth. You can see the pre-treatment broth. The broth is heated above 60 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. After heating, sufficient coagulation of material occurs to produce a valuable improvement in separation characteristics of broth. The period of heating may be short, 5 to 10 minutes at 80 degrees Celsius, having been found to provide a satisfactory increase in filtration rate. Next, you can see the filtration process. Drug covered with diatomaceous earth matter and allowed to rotate under vacuum with half immersed in the slurry tank. Small amount of coagulation agent added to broth and pumped into the slurry tank. As drum rotates in the slurry tank under vacuum, thin layer of coagulated particles adhere to drum. The layer thick thickens to form cake. As the cake portion in the drum comes to the upper region, which is not immersed in the liquid, it is washed with water and de-watered immediately by blowing air over it. Then, before the dried portion is again immersed into the liquid, it is cut off from the drum by knife. You can see the diagram portion. Next, extraction. Griseofulvin is extracted in the cold acetone when it is used as an extraction agent. The extractions with the cold acetone may be carried out with the efficiencies between 75 to 96% or even up to 99.5%. The quantity of the solvent used in the extraction at large scale production should be kept minimum. The volume of acetone should be 3 to 5 times of the mycelial fat. Decolorization. The color of the extract can be improved by addition of calcium hydroxide, usually 2.5 to 50 gram per liter, preferably 5 to 30 gram per liter. The pH of the extract should be 10. It can be neutralized by the removal of lime or by using mineral acid. Isolation and separation. The impurities or waxy substances are removed by washing the extract with a solvent in which extract is immiscible and also griseofulvin is insoluble. Hydrocarbon solvents, generally aliphatic hydrocarbons such as hexane or petroleum containing a high portion of hexane, are in general suitable for this step. Purification and precipitation and purification. Griseofulvin can be precipitated from the solvent extract in various ways. One of the methods is using the liquid solvent in which griseofulvin is substantially insoluble. Griseofulvin non-solvent is preferably water. The alkaline water is more effective for the removal of colored impurities present in the crystals of griseofulvin. Water is made alkaline with ammonia or an alkali metal carbonate or alkali metal hydroxide. The suitable pH is 8.5. The purity of the precipitate is generally improved by washing with a solvent for the small quantities of impurities remaining. The suitable washing media are dry or wet acetone, a lower alcohol, for example methanol or butanol. Malt purification is obtained with the use of methanol for this step. This is all about our topic of preparation of griseofulvin by fermentation, its introduction and its preparation. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video with the new topic, inshallah. So at the end, I request to my lovely friends to subscribe my channel, like my video. Thank you so much.